A Hyderabad student died from a gunshot in Atlanta, Georgia, on his birthday. Palvi Aryan Reddy, 23, was pursuing his masters in the US. The gunshot came from Aryan's licensed hunting rifle. It is unclear if the incident was an accidental misfire. The incident occurred on November 13 at Aryan's home in Atlanta. Aryan's body arrived in Hyderabad on Friday. He studied at Kansas State University in Georgia. Aryan moved to the US in December 2023 for his studies. Friends at his birthday party heard a gunshot from another room. Aryan was found with a chest wound and rushed to the hospital. He was declared dead at the hospital. Aryan purchased the rifle in August but hid it from his family. He had an interest in joining the army but chose another path. Aryan's parents have requested privacy during their grief.